everybody, my name is Maddi, and today I'm going to open both of these.
What are those?
L.O.L's.
Surprise dolls.
I can open them.
Which one are you going to open first?
This one. First we're going to fill the pool up.
And who's this?
Ice skater.
Ice skater. All right, which one are you going to open first?
This one. And the first quill.
Let's see what it says.
You turn it upside down. You turn it upside down.
All right, you got to peel the zipper. Peel it all the way down.
And that's gonna be the bottle.
You think it's a bottle in there? All right, let me open it.
Here you go. Whoa, it's in a big checklist. Do you see the big checklist?
Yep. All right, get the bottle out. Wow, it's gold.
It's coffee bottle.
Do you think it's the glitterati?
Yeah. It's Queen Bee.
You think it's Queen Bee?
Yeah, cause it's gold.
There it is.
But Queen Bee's ball is gold,
All right, open up the next layer.
There's this.
What's in that one?
I don't know.
Here, let me open it for you.
Okay. Here you go.
Is this one her outfit?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right, have a look.
Oh, these are little shoes.
Little shoes.
Look, they're little boots.
Little boots.
That's a kitty's boots.
You think it's the kitty's boots?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, we will find out. Put them here. Next to the little bottle.
Can you help me open this?
Sure. Now we gotta open the next zipper.
Find it. There's two of the blue blind bags, right?
Here, pull the zipper.
Oh.
What's next?
No, here's the outfit.
All right, get the outfit. Let me open it for you.
There. And I'm gonna open the ball.
Wait, you gotta open the outfit first. Here.
Yeah, let's open this for you.
All right, here you go. Open up the outfit.
Yeah, that little outfit. It works. Yay! Whoa! We got the super baby.
Is it Super Baby?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I'm gonna get her out.
Put it in. Oh wait, you have one more? Let me
No.
open for you. Wait, don't open her yet. You gotta do this first. All right, open this one. What's in there?
I think it's her cake. Yes, I was right. It is her cake. See, it's her cake.
Oh, you're right. Here's her little cake. Put it next to her outfit.
Now, the last is the little doggy.
The little doll?
Yeah.
All right. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Cut it open.
Can I see?
All right, here we go.
Her hair's purple.
Oh, she's so cute.
But she's naked.
We gotta get her dressed.
She's naked.
Let's see what she does. She spits.
No, she cries.
Oh, she cries.
I really want to try one.
Oh, she's crying. Let's put a little bit more in and see.
Oh, she's really, really dry.
Are you sure she's a crier?
Yeah, because I saw it go really fast.
All right, give her a little bit more. All right, ready? Let's see. She does cry.
I
Okay, so you gotta put the sticker.
Wait,
She's a
I
crier.
forgot what.
Her name is Super Baby. Super Baby. Super Baby. Alright, get the sticker so we can mark her as a crier.
Okay. Got it?
You got it? Alright.
Get off my finger.
So she cries. Gotta mark that she cries.
Here's. So you ready to put the bottle in the water, right?
Yep. So do you want to see if she's a color changer?
Yeah.
Alright, put her in the water.
Okay. No.
You gotta put her in.
I did. But
No, she has to stay in there.
For 30 minutes.
No. No, I don't think she color changes. But she cries. Alright, let's sit her next to Skater.
So we can open her friend and her friend.
Now they're friends.
Now we're gonna open her friend and her friend.
Yeah.
And we go! That's my turn! Yeah! We have to take off her outfit so she can dive, right?
So she could dive in.
Try to open.
Open the next zipper.
A blind bag.
Alright, get the first blind bag.
It looks like a juice bottle.
Let's see.
A juice bottle.
Ooh, that's my favorite color. Here's the cute little bottle. What
But
does
it's a
it say
juice
on it?
bottle.
It says
Goo goo.
Baby Goo Goo. Alright, open the next layer. Wow, you got your first teal ball. You have 2 pinks and a teal. Need help?
You start.
Alright, open the next blind bag.
Here's 1, 2,
1 shoe.
2 shoe.
Cute little shoes. Alright. You got another layer.
Open it.
Is that her outfit?
I think so.
Gotta open her up.
Oh, it's a tail. Oh, look.
Let me see.
Oh, we have to take this out.
Let's see her outfit. Oh, cute little outfit.
Let's put this
Let's see
flat.
her shoes. Open her accessory. What is it? It's a little binky.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, wait, where is it?
I forgot.
Oh, it looks like it's in here. Alright, she has a little binky. Alright, now open her up. Let's see her.
Okay. Ew, she got some little pee-pee.
She might tinkle.
What is it?
Let's see her.
What is it? Oh, she got screen eyes.
Oh, she's so cute.
That's right, it's her. Right
Little
here.
freckles. All right, let's see what her name is.
She's right here.
Okay, so her name is Line Dancer.
Yeah, I already know that. Right?
Hi, Line Dancer. All right,
Alright.
let's see what she does. Let's get her dressed
Yep,
and fed. Here, fill up her bottle.
Oh, she's gonna be so cute.
All right, so we're gonna give her her bottle, and let's see what she does. Oh, it looks like she spits too. Oh, she's spitting at us. Let's get her dressed. You have roller skater, and
Yeah.
she spits. You have line dancer, and she spits. And who else?
This girl. Super girl.
Oh yeah, and you have Super Baby, and she cries.
Yeah.
We still have all of these to collect, right?
Yeah.
Look how cute she is.
I was really hoping.
Look at her little boots and her binky.
And then her
She
little
is so
box.
cute. She gets to play with her friends.
And then she's gonna head down.
Say hi.
She goes, hey, line dancer. Hey, super baby. You wanna go swimming?
Yeah, I want to go swimming. Me too.
Okay, then we had to take off our dresses.
Go in the water.
And then we had to take off.
Oh.
We fell in. But
This one cries. Ah, she's crying.
no, that's the one.
Oh, she's crying.
That's the saddest thing ever.
It's the saddest thing ever.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta get up that one. She's floating away. This one's spitting at us.
Ew.
Oh. And what about roller skater? Roller skater? Oh, she's spitting at us too. Now they're all gonna hang out in the nice, cool pool. Whee!
It made a big splash. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Peace out.